Have you ever wondered how quickly you can grow your own vegetables? Imagine the delight of harvesting crisp, fresh produce in no time at all. With fast-growing vegetables, you can save time and savor the joy of a speedy harvest. Let's dive into the top 5 fast-growing vegetables that you can plant in your garden. First on our list are radishes. These peppery little delights are real speedsters, sprouting up in as few as 22 days under optimal conditions. Favoring cool weather, radishes love a bit of sunshine and well-drained soil. So, if you're looking for a quick crop, radishes are a great choice. Next up, we have spinach. This leafy green is a champion sprinter in the garden race, often ready for harvest in just 4 to 6 weeks. Thriving in cooler conditions, spinach is not only a quick grower, but also a superfood powerhouse. Spinach is not only fast-growing, but it's also packed with nutrients. Third on our list is arugula. This fast-growing green thrives in cool conditions, making it perfect for early spring and fall gardening. Remarkably, arugula can be ready to harvest in just 20 to 40 days. Arugula adds a nice peppery flavor to your dishes. Fourth on our list is Swiss chard. This leafy green is a hit for its swift growth rate, maturing in merely 5 to 7 weeks. Thriving in cooler conditions, it's not just a quick crop, but a nutritious one too. Swiss chard is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. Last but not least, we have baby carrots. These petite roots flourish quickly, ready for harvest in about 30 days under ideal conditions. Fast-growing and deliciously crunchy, baby carrots are not only a gardener's delight, but also a favorite snack for many. And there you have it, the top 5 fast-growing vegetables for your garden. From the rapid radishes to the brisk baby carrots, each of these veggies will be ready to harvest in no time. Remember, growing your own vegetables not only provides fresh, nutritious produce, but also contributes to a sustainable lifestyle. It's a win-win situation for both you and the environment. So why not give it a try? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.